Do you want to update your Reddit community description or change the name? Then I'm going to show you how to do that. Once you're on Reddit, simplify your community on the left hand side anywhere. Then on the upper right hand side, you will find a section called your community name and your community details. If you look, you'll find a pencil icon there in the upper right. Clicking that. This is going to allow you to change your Reddit community description. And as you can see, you have the description right here. So you can go ahead and change it to whatever. And let's say I want to say we love Barca. I can say that as well. And go ahead and click on save. That's going to go ahead and update it, right? And as you can see, that is changed. Now, if for any reason you want to change, for example, your Reddit community name, this option doesn't allow you to change the name itself. And so you want to go into the mod tools. So if you look to the upper right hand side, click on the mod tools right here. This is going to take you right into the settings here. Now on the left hand side, you want to go ahead and scroll down until you find the general settings. Click on that. And here you have the display name. You can click on that. And here you can change the name of your Reddit community. And let's say I want to say crazy Barca fans love, for example, right? Click and save. And as you can see, it is no change. And that's how you basically change it, guys. Very easy and very simple.